Senator Klobuchar and I are working on a bill that I think will really have a great impact in West Virginia on the health of West Virginians, particularly those who have cardiac and pulmonary medical issues. We want to make sure that people can get into cardiac rehab as quickly as they possibly can, to get them back on their feet, to get them back to work or back into their active family lives. And what this bill would do, it would allow for other paraprofessionals or nurse practitioners to be able to prescribe cardiac rehab. They can't do it now and get reimbursed. And so now I think that this would be much more effective. Well, Senator Hassan and I, Senator Hassan's from New Hampshire, small state, we've worked together on rural broadband deployment. I've created my Capito Connect plan to try to get that rural deployment of broadband to all West Virginians. What our two bills do really is help with the financing. A lot of times the reason is there's not enough money. Well, we've got to come up with creative ways to have cities and towns and other entities be able to afford the deployment of broadband into those more remote rural areas. And so my passion here is to help with the affordability of deploying that broadband into really difficult areas. I'm reading a novel called All the Light We Cannot See. It's based in Germany and around World War II, and I think talks a lot about the Holocaust. The last book I read was called The Nightingale, which was the same subject matter. So it's just hard to believe the cruelty and the just unbelievable destruction that occurred in those days. And so I'm interested in the topic, so I'm interested in reading this book.